All right, I got the beautiful center brace installed here on my Maxx. Now, I think it's time for some new shock caps and some new shock internals. Let's get on it. All right, guys, now we're gonna be testing out the world's strongest Maxx. As you know, here we have M2C everything, which real parts adding on here. But the newest thing we have here is this new M2C brace bar and the M2C shock cap. So we're gonna go bash this thing at the skate park and see exactly how well it does. Let's go. All right, here we go with the Maxx at the skate park. Ooh, that was a nasty landing. That was pretty smooth. There we go. Oh yeah, she's already getting beat up. This is some chassis slap straight from you know where. Traxxas Maxx doing good. Time for the big launch, you know, guys. Landed no problem with the new shocks. That's a massive chassis slap. Woo! Chassis slaps for days. Get one coming right at us. It's taking it so far. Woo, that's a wall. Time for another big sin off this little thing. No problem. Do it again, I kind of hit off the side. Wow, this thing is durable. And then I hit that. Thing's running great. Being really durable so far. Oh yeah?
Yeah, I already beat the hell out of one.
2 minutes at the skate park don't last long for some. Oh! Speaking of that, the pin came out. Did it break or did the pin come out? Oh! Let me guess. Bro, if the pin just came out, I'm telling y'all. Yeah, pin just came out. All that happened was a pin came out. Boys, it's taking that and all that happened was a little pin came out. Gonna put it back in. Let's go rip. Little screw job and it's back ready to go. There's a nice one. This thing is taking it so well. Actually enjoying the skate park for once, guys. I didn't think I would. Brace bar doing pretty well here. Let's launch her off the big one again. Land so soft. I think the motor wire came out. Yep, that's all that happened. Blue motor wire came out. John and I are out here again on this hot Australian day, and we're gonna go let her rip. After I just had to retune my little motor wire to get it in, running pretty good. Let's go. Oh, trash can shot. I want to try that. So far, I like this little jump here. John set us up with a trash can shot, so let's see if we can get it.
Nope.
Woo.
Nope. Nope.
I can't get her to go towards the trash can.
Nope.
Uh-oh.
Nope. Nope.
That is some hard smacks, boys. This is a nice skate park for this. Really testing those M2C parts now. What a jump. What a little jump right there. That was fun. Everything is holding up just perfect though. This new M2C little brace bar. Oh my God. Probably would have broke the bulkhead by now. Max is really impressing me on 6S. Not gonna lie. Woo. Almost hit myself on that one. Almost hit myself. Oh my God. Boys, I would say so far, this Max is holding up very well. Besides the batteries coming out, holding up very well. Oh, I'm trying to land, I'm trying to case it right there. Batteries came out, but they didn't unplug. All right, let's get back to it. We had the ESC brake on the Max Class. This one's been doing good though. Battery came out again. I'm gonna have to get me some new straps. How you guys feeling? You enjoying the Max so far? Let me know down in the comments. We're gonna get another big send over here. This bounces no problem. Oh no. My pin came out again. Can I limp it on back to the house? I'm guessing my A-arms are stripped out over the year, almost a year and a half of abuse on this thing. Still on stock A-arms too, man. Well guys, this was a fun bash. It looks like I just didn't Loctite my bolts enough, so the M2C mount is a little bit wiggly here. Not a breakage at all, but I don't have the tools to fix it today, so we're gonna bash it another day. Hope y'all enjoyed it, because this thing was an absolute tank. All that happened, bolts popping out, coming loose. That's it, as you can see. All right, y'all ready to see some world's strongest 6S Max action on our mega jump? Let's go. We're gonna start out on this little jump over here. This is the jump that killed the Max Slash just a second ago. That video will be out soon as well. There we go. Look at that body actually stay on. Oh, that was a rock. That was a big old concrete rock. But it's Traxxas, so we're good, boys. Uh-oh. Here we go again. Yo, we're getting good height. Next, we got the jumps over here. Alrighty, guys, now we got this big jump. We got this one right here that we've seen kill some cars before, and they usually end up landing in the trees. Let's try the Max out on it. Almost hit my camera. Landed perfectly. World's strongest Max, boys. Oh my God, I hit the battery ejecto. I hit the side right there when it came up. I hope we're good. Oh my God. One battery pulled out, we're good. All right, here we go on the little jump. The little jumpy jump as I keep hitting the tree. Ooh, that was right on the booty. That was right on the booty. Ooh, I went a little too high on that one. Right on the booty. All right, now we got the mega jump. We got the mega jump. Now let's take the world's strongest Max and send it off this mega jump. Here we go. That went pretty swimmingly. I don't think that could have went any better or worse. Woo! Clipped it there at the end. Ever since these upgrades, this thing has been doing great. And this is on the plastic spur too, boys. Woo! That was a nosedive. Ow. Good to know it even hurts it there. I don't know how many more nose landings she's gonna take, but it's taking them. Dude, this thing is running perfect. Oh God, nosedive. M2C everything is pretty amazing. Landed so soft. Remember last time we came out here and it kept breaking stuff? Wow, all these upgrades have really done it. M2C and Trill. Oh my God. That might not have been the best angle, but it just cased it right here so bad. We're battery eject. Oh no. Probably don't ever want to use this lipo again. Okay. Well, good to know the weakest point on the Max now is the lipo batteries. Oh, that scares me. All right. Well, let's go ahead and unplug this and never use these batteries again. Yeah. So my guess is they literally hit right here on this corner. Holy crap, guys. Well, that was fun.